Hi, this is Lucy Piper. So how will be for you for New Year resolution to take control of your rheumatoid arthritis? I have a present for you. So the first ever summit will be devoted only to autoimmune protocol, AIP. Many of you asking about this. So this will be presented by AIP certified holistic health coaches. It will be for free for you, running from January 6th to January 12th from your comfort of your home. You can watch and you can learn. I will be one of the presenters, and I'm going to teach you about food, what to eat. And also I'm going to do cooking demonstration, because many information, and we always talk about like I remove this and this and this and this, what I can eat now. So this will be your opportunity to learn. Who will be summit for? Who will be benefit from this summit? People who was just diagnosed with autoimmune disease or rheumatoid arthritis, people who have trouble for years with this condition, for people who diagnosed and was sick with this and maybe now keep under control, like myself. And for people maybe who is caregiver, who have somebody, maybe children in the family, or parents or spouses who struggle with this condition. And maybe for people who have nothing but have just goal to be healthy. Everybody will be benefit from this. So what it will be different like another summit? So even it will be based on very scientific data, it will be still not over your head. You will be understand this information, all these tricks and tips, what we used in ourselves and with our clients. Remember, we are health coaches, your guinea pigs. We try everything on us, what's work, what doesn't work. And one of the day will be devoted completely cooking presentations. Also like how to make a menu. But think about this way, the AIP or autoimmune protocol, it's not just a diet, it's more to this. For example, how to have a better sleep, or manage your stress, or emotional issues, or what another modality you can use to treat your symptoms. And the question will be answered. There is a really scientific approach to this healing protocol. You will have all these answers. And, again, I mentioned for even people who doesn't have any symptoms or don't have nothing to do with autoimmune diseases. Some will be presentation, for example, how to prepare your food fast as possible, how spend less time in the kitchen. I want to know. I'm definitely going to watch this as well. You think about stuff like this. You will be never, ever learn with a doctor. They just don't teach you stuff like this. And this will be your opportunity. However, we not give you specific pills or supplements. Why? Because we all different. Okay? What it's work for me, it's not maybe doesn't work for you. And I see this conversation on Facebook all the time. Tell me what it's help you, because I will buy this and it's hopefully help me. So it doesn't work this way, because you have a completely different gut. Your gut different than mine, okay? Your stress level completely different than mine, for example. It is so much things to keep in mind when you're dealing with complex disease like autoimmune diseases. So what we're going to teach you, we're going to teach you concept. Very good, very rich, very practical. Okay? And you will be try this on yourself. You will be write protocol for yourself. That's only when you start to question yourself. Why me? Why it is affect me? How it's affect me? That's when you start to implement what you learn and you start to heal. And when you develop your personal plan, there is no substitute from trial and error. Would you will be do mistake? Absolutely. As I teach, it's always dancing. You will be go 2 steps forward, 1 step back, until you find what it's a work for you. I tell my clients, my private clients, that I can't guarantee that you will be reverse completely your arthritis. But even you start to feel better, 70% or 50% or even 20% better, that's what you have right now. If it will be your life different, yes, think about this. So one of my yoga teacher like to teach us that if you don't have time or money or energy, invest right now in your health. You have to find money, time, and energy in the future to invest to your disease. Don't wait another year or 2 or 3 or 5 until it will be worse and worse. Autoimmune disease or rheumatoid arthritis, extremely complicated and serious disease. It will be never better. It will be never better if you not take care of this now. So I'm Lucy Piper, your rheumatoid arthritis coach, your RA coach, right? I hope to see you in a summit. There is a link below. You can click now and sign up for free. And you can watch this from January 6th to January 12th from your home.